Sorry about that. I was gonna try to do the cool intro into the new DTJ, but wasn't as cool because I fell over. Well, this is it. The intro to the DTJ. Well, today I found out I have a sickness. But you can't see it. It's a sound sickness. All the sounds today are just way off. It's not helping me at all. I'll show you. Watch this. Watch this. First, when I woke up, I hit my head, and that's when I kind of got the idea that it started, but I didn't really know what it was yet. Then I really noticed it when I went to go downstairs to eat. Then I went to go brush my teeth and it was still there. And after I had to brush my teeth, I had to flatulate, and that's when it got really bad. And I still have the same problem going on right now.
I have AIDS.
And then I went to the doctor to find out what was wrong. He said it was a pretty common illness and gave me some medicine for it. I hate medicine! I guess I really should take it though. Let's go do that now. Alright, medicine, let's do this. All is well. And now it's time for the Fucking Hilarious Video of the Week. And the Fucking Hilarious Video of the Week is Jack Chap. Jack Chap. And if you watch this video, you'll be the best student of VIA. Because you'll be jacking your troubles away. All day.
Jack Chap.
And that's it for this week's installment of Dr. Tall Jake. Go away!
What are you doing in here, baby?
Go in there and be quiet. I'll give you a treat.
Okay. We're putting him in it.
Go be quiet, I won't give you a treat. Quiet! And no treat.